Bloody freezing today here in Gauteng. Right, we're installing a 20 litre Diode Fanforce unit. This is the unit. Right, just a few things that we're checking when we install it. Okay, the electrical geyser is allocated inside the roof there. So either one of these places would have been ideal to fit it. We can't fit the geyser here, it's going to be too low to the ground. Over here we've got this downpipe here. There's not enough space here to mount it over there. There would have been lacquer, but when you open this window, all the gases from the geyser is going to go in here. So the only place we can mount it will be over here on this side. And then my plumber will just get the plumbing into the roof for the geyser there. We're going to run our gas line. We're going to come around over here. And then we're going to locate the gas cylinders over here. There's no windows. This is the proper way. So make sure your gas installation is compliant. If you've got questions, contact us on WhatsApp 063 706 8078. We're waiting for your call.